certainly, certainly, certainty, uncertainty, certain, uncertain, certainly.
Used to emphasize something and show that there is no doubt about it.
I'll certainly be there. They certainly deserved to win. She certainly knew him, but I don't know how close they were.
Used to agree politely to a request.
Could you pass the salt, please? Certainly.
Slowly, slowly,
slowly, slowly,
Slow, slow, slowly.
At a slow speed.
Could you please speak more slowly? He walked slowly across the room.
kid, kid,
A child.
He took the kids to the park while I was working. Hard, hard,
Firm and stiff, and not easy to press or bend.
a hard surface. There was a heavy frost last night and the ground is still hard. Snowboarding, snowboarding, snowboard, snowboarding.
A sport in which you stand on a large board and move over snow.
I love snowboarding.
prefer, prefer,
Preference, prefer, preferable, preferably.
To like someone or something more than another person or thing.
Do you prefer hot or cold weather? I prefer cats to dogs. She prefers watching tennis to playing it.
Used to say what you want or ask someone what they want.
I'd prefer to go alone. I'd prefer not to discuss this issue. Would you prefer coffee or tea? Chain, chain.
A line of metal rings connected together.
A bicycle chain. She wore a gold chain around her neck. The hostages were kept in chains. Grandpa, grandpa.
Grandfather.
I usually see my grandpa twice a week. Mineral water, mineral water.
Water which is taken from the ground and contains natural chemical substances.
Still or carbonated or fizzy mineral water. Type, 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 typical, typically.
A person or thing that is part of a group of people or things that have similar qualities, or a group of people or things that have similar qualities.
What type of house do they live in? They sell over 50 different types of cheese. Illnesses of this type are very common in children.
toe, toe,
toe, toe,
One of the 5 separate parts at the end of your foot.
Your big or little toe. Soft, soft, softness, soft, softly.
Not hard or firm.
Soft ground. A soft pillow. Soft cheese.
Smooth and pleasant to touch.
Soft skin or hair. Soft leather.
fall, fall,
Fall. Fall. Fell, fallen.
To move down towards the ground, sometimes by accident.
The path's very steep, so be careful you don't fall. He fell badly and broke his leg. I fell down the stairs and injured my back.
Aunt, aunt,
Auntie, auntie.
The sister of someone's father or mother, or the wife of someone's uncle.
I have an aunt in Australia. Auntie Camille.
pain, pain,
Pain. Pain. Pain, painful.
An unpleasant physical feeling caused by an injury or illness.
Chest or stomach pains. Are you in pain? He's been suffering various aches and pains for years.